Yes, good morning, students. We have completed two chapters, chapter 1 and chapter 2. First of all, you have to complete your notebooks. After completing, make a PDF and send it to me for checking. Complete your notebooks as soon as possible. After this, you will start chapter 3. So, our next chapter, chapter 3 is decimals. What is decimal? I think already you have done in previous class. Decimals are fraction whose denominators are like 10, 100, thousands, like 2 upon 10, 4 upon 1000, 4 upon 100, 9 upon 1000. They are decimal fractions. And if we have to convert this fraction into decimals, first of all, check it how many zeros are there in denominators. So if single zero is there, so we have to use single digit in decimal place. Already we have single place, we'll use decimal. This is 2. Suppose if this number will be in this way, 24 by 10, then only single digit should be in denominator because single zero is there at denominator. So 2, 4, only one digit should be decimal number. So this is decimal number, the decimal part, decimal place, and this is whole number. So 2.4. Same as if we take this example, 100, two zeros are there. Now we should take two decimal places like 0, 4. Two zeros are there. So in decimal places there should be two digits. Same as if 9 by 1000, 0.009. Three digits should be in decimal place. Decimal places there are three digits. Suppose if we take in this way 4249 upon 1000, then all the digits it should be in decimal place in this way. So this is decimal. After this, types of decimal. First is like decimal. Like decimals. What are like decimals? Already you have done in previous chapter fraction, like fraction. In like fraction, if denominators are same, but in like fraction number of decimal places are same. Suppose 2.14, then 5.16. Now there are two digits in decimal part, again two digits in decimal part. So if in this way 2.5, if there will be single digit in decimal part and we have to make into like decimal, so we'll use 0. So there should be two digits in decimal part. This is known as like decimals. Same as unlike decimal. Unlike decimal means number of digits are different in decimal part, like 2.1, 5.61, 3.189, whatever. Number of digits are same, different, they are unlike. If number of digits are same, then it is like decimal. So while comparison of decimal, we should convert into like decimal. Suppose if we have to find 2.4, 2.49, which is greater, we have to compare them, which number is greater. So first of all, we'll convert into like decimal. So there are maximum digits 2, 4 and 9. Two digits are there, but here we have only one digit. So use 0 to make it like decimal. Now we can compare them easily. So 2.49, this is greater. And remember one thing, decimal part we'll read separately. We will not read in this way ki 3.189. No, 189, 3.189. We'll read it separately. Same as 5.61. Note 61. Same as 5.16. Note 16, 16. 5.16. So decimal places we'll read it separately. So now we are going to start exercise 3.1. Your book should be opened. Exercise 3.1. So question 1. Convert the following decimals into fractions in lowest form. Convert the decimals following decimals into fractions and lowest term. So first part, this is 0.8. So first of all, convert it to fraction. Decimal places are given, decimal part is given. We have to convert into fraction. So while converting into fraction, we have to remove this decimal. So 8. If remove this decimal, how many digits are there in decimal place? Decimal place is only 1. So there should be only 1 0. Instead of decimal, we'll use 1. While removing decimal, we are using 1. And how many digits are there in decimal part? We'll use so many digits. So if 1 digit is there, so we'll use only 1 0. 2 digits are there, then we'll use 2 zeros. Now this is fraction. Now we have to convert into lowest term. Lowest term means reduce them. 4 2s are and 5 2s are. So 4 by 5. This is the answer. Then second part of the same question, 2.25. Now total 2 decimal places are there. Only 2 digits in decimal place. So 2 2 5. Instead of decimal, we are using 1. Now 1 2 digits are there, so we are using 100. Now converting to lowest term, 25 4s are, 25 9s are. So 9 upon 4. This is the lowest term. Same as next parts. Suppose we are taking fourth part. Third, very simple, 17.5. Only single digit there, you can convert. Then 0.0375. Now, how many total digits are there in decimal part? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it means 375. No need to show this 0. Instead of this decimal, we are using 1. Now 4 digits are there, that's why we are using 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have to reduce them. So you can reduce simply with 5 2 0 0 0. With 5 7 5s are and 5 5s are. 25 3s are, 25 8s are 200 and 0. So 3 upon 80, this is the answer. So complete this question.